You don't freeze in meetings because you're inexperienced. You freeze because you don't have clarity, and clarity is created before the meeting. Most people spend hours overthinking what they're going to say, rehearsing in their head, going through every possible scenario, and they still walk in feeling unprepared. And this AI workflow removes all of that in 60 seconds, gives you emotional calm, confidence, and clear structure. So let me show you how it works. So here's what most people don't understand about overthinking. It's not an emotional issue. It's because you are anxious. It's because you lack confidence. It's not a personality flaw. Overthinking happens when your brain is juggling too many variables at once. Think about it. You're about to walk into a meeting. You don't know exactly what your role is. You're not clear on what points you need to land. You're worried someone might ask you something you can't answer. You're trying to predict 10 different conversations that could go. And your brain is drowning in uncertainty. And when your brain doesn't know what matters, it panics. So that's cognitive overload. The anxiety you feel, that's just a symptom. Lack of clarity is the actual cause. And here's the good news for you. Once you understand that overthinking is a clarity problem, you can fix it. Because clarity can be manufactured, and AI is the perfect tool to do it. Let me give you a mental model that changes everything. Senior people speak calmly in meeting because they think in structure. They know exactly what they're there to do, exactly what points they need to land, and exactly how to respond to questions. Junior people overthink because they improvise. They walk in without a plan, without clarity, and they're trying to figure out in real time while everyone else is watching. Structure kills hesitation, and here's the unlock. AI gives you that structure instantly if you prompt it correctly. You don't need more experience. You don't need more confidence. You need a system that organizes your thinking before you walk into the room. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you. All right, here's the workflow. 5 steps. You can do this in under a minute once you get the hang of it. So this is the system that changed everything for me. Step number 1, reduce the meeting to 1 sentence. So first you take all the noise, the agenda, the context, the background, and reduce it to 1 sentence. Prompt AI with this. Explain the core purpose of this meeting in 1 sentence. For example, let's say you have a meeting titled Q4 Strategy Alignment Discussion. That could mean anything. It's vague and your brain starts spinning. I reduces it to, this meeting is to decide which 3 projects we prioritize for Q4 and align resource allocation. Boom, clarity. You know now exactly what the meeting is about. No ambiguity, no cognitive overload. Then step number 2, define your role. This is the step that most people skip, and it's the one that causes the most overthinking. So you need to know what is your exact role in this meeting. Prompt AI. In this meeting, what is my exact role, responsibility, and expected contribution? AI might say, your role is to provide a recommendation on project prioritization based on team capacity. You are expected to present data on current workload and suggest which projects to delay. Now you're not guessing, you know what you're there to do, and you're not trying to contribute to everything. You're not worried about whether you should speak up. You have a defined lane, and that removes 70% of the anxiety. Now, step number 3, identify 3 points you must land. And here's the rule. You don't need to say everything. You need to say the right 3 things. Prompt AI with, what are the 3 most important points I need to communicate to sound confident and senior? AI gives you, 1, our team is at 95% capacity and we cannot take on new work without cutting existing projects. 2, I recommend we delay project X and prioritize project Y based on strategic impact. 3, we need executive buy-in on this decision by end of week to avoid delays. 3 points, clear, concise, structured. You don't have to remember everything. You have to remember these 3 things, and your brain can handle that. Now, step number 4, preload answers to tough questions. This is where you remove the fear of the unknown. Most overthinking comes from, what if they ask me something I can't answer? So you preload the answers. Prompt AI, what questions might I be asked in this meeting and how should I respond concisely? And AI gives you, what if we cut project Y instead? Project Y has direct revenue impact in Q4. Project X is exploratory and can be delayed to Q1 without customer impact. Can't we just hire more people? Hiring takes 8 to 12 weeks. We need decision now to avoid Q4 delivery risk. Why is the team at 95% capacity? We're running 3 major initiatives simultaneously, and this is unsustainable without prioritization. Now, you're not caught off guard. You've already thought through the hard questions and you have a clear, concise answers ready. And when someone asks you something tough, you don't freeze, you respond with calm and authority. Step number 5, get talking points in your senior leader style. This is the final step. You take your thinking and translate it into senior level language. Prompt AI with, rewrite my talking points in a calm, concise senior leader style. Let's say you originally planned to say, so I've been looking at the team's workload and I think we might be a little stretched. So maybe we should consider pushing some things out, but I'm not totally sure which ones make the most sense. AI rewrites it. We are at capacity. I recommend we delay project X and prioritize project Y. This gives us the bandwidth to deliver on time without burning out the team. I need a decision by Friday. Can you hear the difference here? The first version sounds uncertain, junior, and the second sounds clear, decisive, and more senior. And here's what happens. When you read that senior version a few times before the meeting, you start to embody it. You don't just sound senior, you start to think senior. That's the identity shift. All right, let me show you this in action. I have a real meeting coming up this week. Here's what I'd normally do without this workflow. I'd sit there thinking, okay, they're probably going to ask about the timeline, or maybe they'll want to discuss budget first. Should I bring up the risks now or wait? What if they disagree with my approach? Maybe I should prepare 3 different versions. And I'd spiral for 30 minutes, walk into the meeting feeling scattered and either over-explain or forget to say something important. Now here's what I do with the AI workflow. Meeting, project review with leadership. Step 1, core purpose in 1 sentence. This meeting is to get leadership approval on the revised project and timeline and budget. Step number 2, my role. Your role is to present the revised plan, explain the rationale for changes, and address concerns about budget increase. Step number 3, 3 points I must land. 1, the original timeline was based on incomplete requirements. We now have full scope. 2, the revised timeline adds 2 weeks but reduces the quality risk significantly. And 3, the budget increase of 15% is offset by avoiding a costly post-launch fix. Step number 4, tough questions. When we know this upfront, requirements evolve during discovery. This is standard for projects of this complexity. Then, can we cut scope to stay on budget? Cutting scope would eliminate core features the client specifically requested. Then step number 5, senior leader talking points. We've revised the timeline to account for the full scope. This adds 2 weeks but ensures we deliver a high quality product on the first pass. The 15% budget increase is justified. It's significantly cheaper than fixing issues post-launch. I need approval today to keep us on track. Total time 90 seconds. And now I walk into that meeting with zero anxiety. I know exactly what I'm there to do. I have my 3 points memorized. I've preloaded answers to the hard questions. I know exactly how I'm going to sound. And that's the difference. That's the transformation. So what actually changes when you start using this workflow? First, you feel calm instead of panic. You're not rehearsing in your head for hours. You're not spiraling through every possible scenarios. You have clarity, and clarity kills anxiety. Second, you have structure instead of chaos. You're not improvising. You're not rambling. You know your 3 points. You land them, and you're done. And third, you project senior presence instead of junior energy. You're not asking for permission with your tone. You're not hedging. You're stating your perspective with calm. And fourth, you stop rambling because you know exactly what you need to say. You say it in 30 seconds instead of 3 minutes, and people listen. They take you seriously now. And fifth, you speak with clarity. You're not guessing. You're not uncertain. You're presenting structured thinking, and that automatically makes you sound senior. And finally, this is the big one. You enter every meeting knowing exactly what to say. No more overthinking, no more spiraling, no more walking in feeling unprepared. You walk in with a plan. And when you have a plan, you have confidence. That's the transformation. That's what this workflow unlocks. Look, this workflow is just one piece of a much larger system. If you want the full communication and meeting prep system, the prompts, the templates, the frameworks I use, the advanced techniques for handling conflict and navigating politics, it's all inside my upcoming course on accelerating your AI. This workflow handles overthinking before meetings, but the course shows you how to handle performance reviews, difficult conversations, strategic presence, leadership presence, everything you need to sound more senior and move up faster. But even if you just take this workflow and run with it, you'll be ahead of most people. Because most people walk into meetings unprepared, unclear, and anxious. And you won't. So do this. Take your next meeting, run it through these 5 steps, and watch what happens. You'll walk in calm, you'll speak with clarity, and people will start treating you differently. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.